What about a late night? Are you really leaving me for someone else? I want to let you know. You can call my name and I'll come running back to you. Running back to you. I'll come running back. You can call my name and I'll come running back to you. Running back. I'll come running back to you. Running back to you.
Good morning, guys. So this morning it is actually already like 12 o'clock, but the kids have made a complete disaster of the house. We've been just playing outside. I went to Dunkin', got coffee. It's been kind of like a relaxing, chill morning of just hanging out, playing outside. But now the boys just went over to their friends. I just tried to put Easton in for a nap. Ellery's hanging out here with me, and we are going to start prepping everything for the upcoming week. I need to wash fruit, cut it up, put it in the fridge so it's ready for lunches. She's gonna help me cook her cheese tortellini for lunch. You're gonna learn how to cook it?
No, now I'm gonna help you with stuff.
So she's gonna help me get some stuff done, prep for the week. I need to put some of laundry away for the week. So many things of just getting ready for this week. I'm gonna try to clean up the house. It's trashed, nice and messy.
Yeah.
Got my empty Dunkin'.
I didn't cook stuff in a while.
Can use that for Eli's strawberries. We're gonna get his strawberries ready for the week.
We definitely started for a week.
Say a huge thank you to Lumi for sponsoring today's video, but I have been so excited about their deodorant. I personally love the warm vanilla, and Lumi is actually an all over body deodorant, so you can use it everywhere. It has 72-hour odor control. Lumi actually prevents external body odor from happening in the first place by stopping the odor causing reaction from happening on our skin, so it works as a pre-odorant. Lumi completely obliterates body odor and stops it from happening. This one is also really good. It is the lavender sage. I think it smells so good. There is a wide variety of scents, so there's something for everyone. They do not stain your clothes. They are aluminum free, baking soda free, paraben free. Lumi has actually been the only one that I have found that actually keeps the odor away. I don't know what it is, but after having a few kids, my hormones are crazy, I think, and nothing really works for me, so that is why I had switched over to men's deodorant. I know, super lovely, but this seriously keeps the odor away. Lumi has a starter pack bundle that is a great deal for their new customers. It comes with a full-size stick deodorant, a cream deodorant tube, 2 free products, and free shipping in the US. And just for my followers, Lumi is offering an extra 10% off when you order at lumi.deal/cleaningmama and enter code cleaningmama at checkout. So I'm taking a little break to have a little bit of lunch because I'm really hungry. It's 2 o'clock. Having a grilled cheese, what? And some little
That was not bad.
snacking pickles. You wanna make it? Okay, we're gonna make some popsicles. We're gonna try and use this.
You can put it in the freezer.
Yep.
So, how many are you gonna put up? 4?
Yeah.
Because it's very gonna be up by the time those
Yes. Ah! I'm making a mess. Just poured myself a drink. The kids are wanting to go outside, so I think I'm gonna go outside with them in a minute. Fully reset the house. It feels so good. got everything cleaned up, got the dishes started, got laundry going again if you hear that. I have 2 baskets of laundry sitting right there in the laundry room that I need to put away, but other than that, the house is all picked up. We've also got that tortellini, some strawberries ready to go for the week. So I'm currently going through some fall decor that I had gotten from Home Goods a couple weeks back, and a few of the things like a skull, a little plant guy looking thing, I put a few of the things out, but now I'm gonna go down in the basement in the unfinished side and look through my fall decor. And then my room's a mess, don't mind that. And then I have this bag of stuff that I'm also going through just because I'm planning on filming my fall decor video tomorrow, so that will be out very soon. But I just kind of want to go through it all. This is what I do every time before I film a decor video, is I just like go through everything, lay it all out, kind of in my head, walk around the house, think of where I want to put it, just so that I'm not trying to film and like moving things around a million times. I kind of already, not pre-decorate, but I just kind of decide where I want the things to go. I'm gonna put this somewhere. Absolutely love this giant 3 things. I pretty much did black this year. Been in a whole black mood, hence the black nails. But I will also go through my decor just in case I'm gonna put out any blankets that I need to wash. I might put those out. Actually, I don't know. I don't think I am, because I'm not doing really orange this year. I think I'm gonna stick to more neutral. Oh, I wish these were black.
What is it?
They're like little, just candle.
Candle holders?
Yeah, like little, you see, like do this. I don't think most of this I'm gonna put out. I'm gonna put this out.
What is it? Oh, bag?
Yeah, I'm just keeping things a lot more minimal and
Why do we have a lantern?
black this year. Kind of over the farmhousey decor. Like, whoa. You know, these, I don't know how I feel about all this. So I told you guys that the vibe this year is pretty much black. Some of these things that I have, I wish that they were black, and I feel like it obviously would be a lot easier if I just had like a spray paint, but these pumpkins that are just like these little ones from Hobby Lobby last year that are white and gold, I don't know about this writing, if it'll cover up, but we're gonna try to just use this ultra cover paint that I used for the front door and a paintbrush, and we're gonna see. If it doesn't work, oh well, I'm not gonna use them anyways because I'm just not loving the black and, or the white and gold.
You know my body never know. You know my body never know.
I had this already put out, and I'm looking at this. It's looking very, like, there's a couple spots where stuff is taken off, so I think I'm gonna paint this black right here and here and have this sitting here next to this. So we just did a Target pickup and decided to pick up Lion's Choice for dinner because I already did the dishes and the kids wanted it. And they got sandwiches. You get a sandwich, Eli?
Yeah.
Easton, sit down, Bubba.
I love cheese.
What? Easton is absolutely getting down on his sandwich. Is that good, bud?
Yeah.
And I got some cheese sauce and a turkey sandwich.
I got mac and cheese and 2 fries.
Laundry put away still. Everybody's going wild. Everybody has to get a shower. I was going to show you guys what I got from Target pickup really quick. I got a couple of candles, this little tiny pumpkin shortbread. I did not know it was that tiny. I don't pay attention at all. I got some conditioner, some scent beads, some cupcakes for their lunch. This one smells really good too. Cinnamon pumpkin muffin. Gonna use that in my fall video tomorrow. I got these to put on top of the candle holders that I painted, some juice boxes for their lunch. I got this body wash and Kit Kats, and I think that's it. Oh, this, which is so funny because again, I don't pay attention to sizes. I thought this was big. It is teeny. You did so good. She just vacuumed all under here. Easton is over here mopping, working hard, aren't you, Easton? We still gotta get everyone showering. I feel like this is so funny. This is like a rare occasion. My kids don't vacuum and mop for me every night. Okay, the boys saw that the other kids were cleaning and they wanted to help with something. So I told them they can help me load the juice boxes. We just got Ellery showered.
Yeah.
Eli is currently showering and we've got to do all the kiddos. We are going to do a braid in her hair so she can sleep on it and it'll get nice and wavy.
Here's the black stuff how it turned out. That she painted.
I'm obsessed.
I'm gonna get the water, but I need a cup to get it. Well, thank you. I need a straw. I'm gonna need to get water. And I need to go get the squirter. Where's the squirter? The squirter's in this drawer. Okay, where's the squirter? I want this one. Blue raspberry. I'm right here. Okay. I have to get a towel. There we go. I don't do this every night because I have a fridge, a mini fridge in my room. I'll tell my mom to help me in a little bit. But so I get my toothbrush, my bathroom, and my sink needs to get clean. There's some makeup stuff all around my sink. There we go. I know it's hard to do one of those. Which one do I pick? I like this one. This one, don't worry. When I went to the store and I found it, and it said kids, so this is for kids. So, okay, I got my stubby toothpaste that I love.
Are you vlogging me?
Yeah.
Are you vlogging me right now? Oh my. All the kids are in bed now, and I have you guys on something a little shady. It's the cookie jar, and it's really not big enough for the camera, but I'm gonna quickly put the cold items that Eli is gonna have for lunch. So I'm gonna do his ranch. That was a little messy. His ranch, his strawberries, and his ham wrap, because tomorrow morning is going to be a early morning since Monday and Wednesday, because the younger boys go to preschool on Monday and Wednesday, so we have to drop them first because they start at 8 or have to be dropped before 8. So I'm gonna quickly make this and then get ready to get in the shower, get ready for bed. So I'm literally just taking a tortilla, he does cheese, ham, I roll it up, cut it, and then I'm packing him the rest of his stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this style of video. It was a little bit more vloggy, and I do really enjoy mixing that kind of content in. I feel like it gives you guys more of a real look into my actual day. If you guys like this kind of content, it was like slimy, you know, like the wet meat. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check out Lumi deodorant as well as the offer that I have with them down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Okay. They're good. They're good. Okay. Yeah,
Green tank.